Hey guys, it's me, here girl. Today let's look at the Ipsy June spoilers and also my choice. Let's get to the video. And before we go, please hit a like and subscribe. Okay, let's look at the June 2020 glam bag spoilers. Okay, looks like this bag looks good. And what next? It's glam bag spoilers. Hipsters signed up for the glam bag this June could receive grapefruit face cleanser. And do we have Sunday ultra clarifying face oil. A big thumbs up for Sunday Rally products. They are the bomb. And next we have Pacifica Beauty Cherry Gold highlighter and blush. I'm in for it. And Vegan Beauty Locket Setting Powder. I think I got it in one of the previous box, but it's tiny. And First Aid Beauty Pores Be Gone Matte Primer. And Ofra Cosmetic Pressed Highlighter. And we have two shades in here. Glam Bag Plus spoilers. Okay, so the bag looks cool, but it's a different color. And I just wish they have the wristlets, like, you know, the bags are good and cute, everything and all, I get it, but it's just that they don't have carrying wristlet like the band that they usually give. I wish they have it. And here we have Daily Sunscreen SPF 30 Gel and Ciate London Marbled Metal Eyeshadow in Wicked. And Cover Cushion Foundation. I wish they could give me one of those. And Bliss, oh my god, Mage Cleansing Stick. What is this? It's a wash and exfoliant in one. It gently scrubs away dead skin cells and leaves you with fresh, feeling soft skin. Plus it keeps your hands clean. Okay, so it's a cleansing stick for hands or face? No idea. And next we have lip gloss and the Basic Bee Sponge Flesh to Flesh highlighting powder in Rinse Promise Lift Jump Certain or Boost. Awesome. The spoilers for the Ultimate. Okay, so bag looks cool. I think it's a little bigger size. And what are the products we have? We have Badass MF Matte Fluid in Don Yale. It's liquid lipstick. And Sparkle Mist Restore with coconut water. Dr. Brand Skincare Pores No More Luminizer Primer. Oh, they just give 3 spoilers for the Ultimate. And I did deactivate my Ipsy glam bag last month just because I just want to take a break, and I just felt they are like teeny tiny products. But I'm going to reactivate it and we'll see how this thing goes. Let's see. Okay, it has your subscription has ended and we have a button called join now. So let's see. I clicked on join now and we see reactivate your glam bag, and there is an option to reactivate, which is good. And here is what coming. Where do I see my where do I choose the product? I don't see it in here. It just says here June glam bag. and what are the next steps. That's pretty much it. That's what I see. Here is what coming. Let me refresh the page and see. And these are the Glam Bag Plus. Okay. Oh wow, it gave the pick one of your June products for the Glam Bag. Beautiful. Okay, it gives Sugar Cosmetics, Crayola, what is that, lipstick, and First Aid Beauty primer, Ofra Cosmetic highlighter, and face cleanser, and what is that, sun cream, Pure, Sugar Cosmetic lipsticks, and Pacifica Beauty Cherry Gold highlighter and blush, and Benefit Cosmetic Brow Gel, and Vegan Beauty setting powder. I'm interested into this Sugar Cosmetic lipsticks. They look interesting and they gave 3 shades, which is good. I'm not able to decide if I want the what is this, lipstick or the highlighter. Let's see about this highlighter. Oh, it gave me something else. I'm Pure. Okay, there it is. Ofra Cosmetic highlighter, and its price is $35. I think it's the full size, that's $35. And this highlighter and blush, oh, it's a combination of highlighter and blush, and it don't have price on it, and weight is 8 grams. That's pretty much is what I see in here. A hint of moisturizing coconut oil, and shows this pretty powders. Gold highlighter and blush. And let's see what are the other options that I could choose from. Sugar Cosmetics lip crayon, and let's see, it looks interesting in shade Scarlet. This is interesting too. So I have to choose now either between the highlighter and blush or the Ofra Cosmetic highlighter. Okay, we chose Pacifica Beauty blush and highlighter, and I think these are the duos that we get. It's the $5 duos. They have a lot. Beautiful. And also we have $16 duos, full size duos these are, and $20 bundles. Okay, let's see for the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Great choice. I think I chose Ciate London Marbled Matte Eyeshadow in Wicked. I already chose this, but I'm not able to see if I could undo it. But these are the $5 duos that we have. Okay, and what next? And also the $16 duos. You know what, I think they are same for the both, like this one, Glam Bag and also Glam Bag Plus. I think they are same, and that's pretty much it. And I'll be doing the unboxing as well for the Ipsy Glam Bag and also Glam Bag Plus. Stay tuned, and if you like the video so far, please give a thumbs up and subscribe, and let me know in the comments below and what product you chose for the Glam Bag and also Glam Bag Plus, and if you really think if it's worthy, please let me know in the comments below. Bye.